Hi guys, welcome to Mala's Verse. Welcome if you're new here, welcome if you have been here before. Thank you so much for joining me in today's reading. And today's reading is for the zodiac sign of Capricorn. Capricorn, we are going to look into a compliment you don't get to hear. I don't know why, but I'm getting this energy that this is a message you really need to hear right now. Or it's going to help you feel much better about yourself. And before we get into the reading, Capricorn, take a few deep breaths and breathe out through your mouth. I'm going to ring the singing bowl. All right, Capricorn. So your main message as to a compliment you do not get to hear. We have strength with number 8. So Saturn and Leo energy. And the bottom deck energy is Magician with the Two of Cups. So the bottom deck energy is representing energies or an energetic way that people might be admiring you or complimenting you, but they might themselves do not know it consciously, because it's more so that they're perceiving the energy, and so they don't know how to verbalize it or make it logical to their mind. And we have the Magician and Two of Cups, after which we have the Six of Swords. So this tells me that Capricorn, people probably are amazed internally and they don't realize this, or so they don't realize how this happens, or they probably underestimate you, or they have preconceived notions about you, because of which this is a surprise for them. So they essentially see you as a master manifester, or a very good manifester of relationships and partnerships that are equally nurturing, that are uplifting and soothing. And because after that we have Six of Swords, so two to a six is again harmony, Venus Venusian energy. And then we have Six of Swords energy, which is moving towards calmer waters, moving towards more wisdom. And it's that, the thing that they're amazed by is that you manifest relationships that just keep getting better, and the relationships that stay in your life are always contributing to you. It's not just contributing to you, but you are also contributing to them, and they only see that these connections keep flourishing. And so much so, because we have, after the Six of Swords, after a few cards, we have the Five of Pentacles, and then we have the Sun. So after the Six of Swords, we have Three of Wands, which is expansion energy. Ten of Cups is emotional fulfillment. After which is the Five of Pentacles energy, which can trigger wounds around, abandonment, fear of being not seen, not accepted, not loved. And right after that, we have the Sun. So it's improving in the sense that whatever community you create around you, whatever kind of people you are very deeply connected to, even if these fears crop up with the Sun card, you're always able to see the brighter side within this entire picture. And you are always about, you have, or you get that strength from these connections and from yourself as well. Like, it's an amalgamation of both of those energies. You get the strength to look at your soul's purpose, to look at your soul's beauty, your energy, soul's energy as well, and move forward with a lot of hope, with a lot of happiness. So people may not be able to verbalize this, but this is something they definitely observe and compliment you for internally, like energetically they might know about this. So the top deck energy is King of Swords and the Three of Pentacles. And the top deck energy is representing a compliment that you may evidently receive from people, or it's evident in their behavior to you. With the King of Swords, especially the way it's represented here, and right after that we have Three of Pentacles. It's such almost a jarring experience, I would say, for people, because I this is actually pointing towards first impressions energy for me here. So with King of Swords, I do perceive that people might see you as someone who's very cutthroat, very sharp tongued, or someone who's not interested in conversations, and someone who's more of a lone wolf, stays aloof, etc. But once they get to know you, you have this beautiful expansive Three of Pentacles energy. You want to share with people, you want to talk with people, and you want to have conversations that are nurturing, that are valuable, that are quality conversations as well, or quality interactions. So this is something that you do get to hear, or it's evident in people's behavior for you. And with the Strength card as a compliment that you don't get to hear, it's simply about patience, the resilience and patience that you have, Capricorn. That's the major message coming through here. You may not get to hear a compliment around this. And the other thing, with the whale being removed from this trap, and the whale is, such a magnanimous, magnificent, and humongous being. And what that tells me is you embracing, all of you, the humongous energy field that you might have around you, or the impact that you have, you embracing it with all vulnerability is something you may not get to hear a compliment about. And also the way this veil is being removed from this trap, what I'm receiving is your trust in the universe, your trust in your spirit guides, your trust in, the non-physical energy to help you save your day, or for them to show up to save your day, is another thing that you don't get compliments for, but it's definitely very powerful. But it's definitely something that people observe, because this is not even a minor arcana, we have a major arcana. So this is something people definitely, or outside energies, do observe. They do in some way, shape, or form feel that, the universe has your back. They are able to see you as an example where God intervenes to save you, to protect you, to take care of you. And that's probably a compliment you don't get to hear about, or hear from others about. So, Capricorn, that's all that I have for you. Thank you so much for joining. I hope that this was helpful in some way, shape, or form. Do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Do like, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you again so much for joining, and I hope to see you in future readings. Bye bye.